Good morning everyone. Today we are starting a new topic, linear inequation. So I hope all of you remember we have answered lots of questions in linear equation and simultaneous linear equation. The same technique we can use it here also in linear inequation except two situations. So here I am just explaining the 2 points which we have to remember in this chapter, slightly different from linear equations. So in equation we have two main properties. See, all of you know the number 2 is less than 4. Suppose I multiply both sides with minus sign or with minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 less than 4 into minus 1. So this less than, we have to change it. See, we get minus 2 and minus 4, but here minus 2 is greater than minus 4. That means if you multiply with a negative sign on both sides in an inequation, the inequality will be reversed. Less than becomes greater than. See example another one. Suppose 3 less than minus 3 less than 5. Now if you multiply it with a negative sign, this will become 3 and this will become minus 5, and 3 is greater than minus 5. See another situation where we take the reciprocal. Again see 2 less than 4, take the reciprocal of 2, that is 1 by 2, and reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So when you take the reciprocal, half greater than the quarter, that is 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. So there are two things. First, when you multiply with a negative quantity on both sides of an inequation, the inequality is getting reversed. Also, if you take the reciprocal, the inequation getting reversed. So, the rest of all properties in equation and inequation are same. Only these two special cases we have to remember. So, I am just writing those two properties once again. You can note it. Suppose A less than B, then minus A greater than minus B. Also, second property is A less than B, 1 by A greater than 1 by B. So these two properties we have to remember. This is property 1 and here it is property 2. Okay. So based on this, let us see how to attempt the questions. So see the first question. I am just writing the question on the board. Solve the inequation 3x minus 11 less than 3, where x element of set 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So it's a natural number up to 10. X element of 1 to 10. So see how to answer this question. First step, we have to take these numbers 11 to the right side. So as it is in equation, we can shift the terms minus 11. When it comes to the right side, it becomes plus 11. So 3x less than 3 plus 11. So 3x less than 3 plus 11 is 14. So x less than 14 by 3. So x should be less than 14 by 3. This 14 by 3 means it is 4. 4 3s are 12. So 2 by 3. So x should be less than 4, 2 by 3. But here it is given x belongs to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So the numbers which is less than 5 up to 4 we can take. Therefore, the solution is set 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the final answer, 1 to 4. Okay, see the next question. Question number 2. Solve 2 into x minus 3 less than 1, where x element of set 1, 2, 3 up to 10, natural number up to 10. So same method here also. First we have to open the bracket, 2x minus 6 less than 1. It is same as the equation. Now this minus 6 we have to take to the other side. So 2x less than 1 plus 6, minus 6 becomes plus 6. So 2x less than 7, x less than 7 by 2. Here 2 is positive, so when we take to the other side it becomes positive 2 only, and the inequation will remain same, less than remain same, because it is not a negative quantity. 7 by 2, it is 3.5. So x up to 3 we can take it. So solution set 1, 2, 3. We cannot take 4 because it is more than 3.5. So that is the second question. So I am showing one more question. The third question, 5 minus 4x. 5 minus 4x greater than 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3x. X is a whole number. X element of the whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So first you have to simplify this. Minus 4x, I am bringing that minus 3x to the left side, it is plus 3x greater than 2. 5 goes to the other side, it is minus 5. Now minus 4x plus 3x is minus x greater than 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So here both negative quantities are there, so we can multiply with the negative sign. So x is less than 3. So the inequation changes because we are multiplying with minus 1. Now x less than 3 and also x belongs to the whole numbers. So 3 we can't take it because x should be less than 3. So the solution is set 0. Why? 0 is a whole number. 1, 2. We can't take 3 because x is less than 3. So we close it here. So the final answer is set 0, 1, 2. Thank you. So all of you please practice similar questions. Okay, till question number 7 you can try, and see you tomorrow.